Colorado School of Mines. This is the fitness center. Series 5.
Only 2 floors.
This place looked taller than that.
It does. We're only gonna take one ride on this car.
Yeah. Probably holes.
Yeah.
Wonder if you can see. Oh, there's the climbing wall. Get a look inside here. This is a pretty nice facility they got here. Oh, you see why this is before the desk? Because look, looks like there's more to this. This is like the entire athletic complex, it looks like.
Yeah.
Not just like the fitness center. Anyway, it smells good. It smells like food.
They might have a cafeteria in here.
Ah, that could be true. I bet that is.
I want to find the building wherever that is too.
Yeah. Well, there's another entrance if you saw it to that side.
There is, yeah. Because I gotta get the maps to do that.
This just runs like a holeless hydro.
It does. It runs like a hydro.
Oh, yeah. One would expect a hydro to run like a hydro.
Well, that last one didn't.
Anyway, that'll be it.